Okay, well, it's a beautiful fall day today, and the sun is shining, the leaves are coming down, they're all beautiful colours and everything, so we thought it'd be a nice idea to do a bit of outdoor cooking. Beautiful temperature for a nice campfire. So today I'm going to make chicken and dumplings on the campfire. So the first thing we need to do is get the fire set. So while this fire's taking hold, let me just tell you a couple of things about dumplings. Now, when I was a kid, I hated them. I absolutely hated them, couldn't stand them. And it was only when I started cooking and then realised that dumplings are actually take on so much flavour if you want them to, then they're not as stodgy and horrible as you like to think they are. And so I would strongly advise that you give dumplings another shot. If you've ruled them out, give them another shot, because this recipe absolutely makes the best advantage of what a dumpling has to offer. Back in the day, my grandmother, who was a wartime girl, and she was sort of living in London during the Blitz, one of her favourite meals that she cooked was boiled lamb with pearl barley and dumplings, and I absolutely hated it as a kid growing up. Couldn't stand it, and that put me off dumplings for life, what I thought, until I went to a Chinese restaurant and had dumplings there, and found that there's a whole different level of dumplings that you can take on. The background to this recipe is that because I like to cook, I collected a whole load of cookery books, and since I moved over to America, then my library has extended quite significantly, and people buy me books that they think I might like and stuff, and some of them have been diner related books, because I love just the American diners and the legends of American diners. And so I took what is essentially a very plain chicken soup recipe and mixed it with a chicken and dumplings diner recipe to create this. So it's kind of, I'm sure you'll see it elsewhere, but I like to think it's something that I kind of invented. But it's a delicious winter soup, and up until this point we've always cooked it in the Instant Pot because it's been very quick and easy. But this is a superb day to have a nice campfire going, and to get the cast ironware out and do it rustic style, and see whether it changes it any differently, because I'm sure it'll change the flavour profile. So anyway, so now we've got the fire going, I'm going to start preparing all the bits and pieces, bring them out, and then we'll start getting, once we've got a nice bed of ashes, we'll get the cast iron going, and then we can start cooking. But so I'll catch you in a bit. Well, that was a beautiful day. Nice food, great company, and probably one of the last few chances we'll get to sit outside and enjoy the nice fall weather. So thanks for joining us on this. It's been fun. I'm glad that I didn't burn myself or spill any of the food, which is great. We'll do a few more of these cooking videos because we've got a lot more recipes that we can share, and something that's just a little bit different from your usual camp food fare, but or campfire fare. And so anyway, well, thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.